welcome back to my channel. If you are new, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below. Subscribe now. Hit it like right now. Subscribe. Cause I got lit content coming up and you don't want to miss it, period. Okay? Make sure to like this video, comment, and let me know what y'all think. Of course, if you have read the title, I am doing a Pretty Little Thing try on haul. So I ordered a few pieces to try on and I'm going to show you guys. So enough of the chit chat. Let's go ahead and get into these outfits. Okay, you guys, this is dress number 1. This is a black dress from Pretty Little Thing. The description is black runched bar-dot bodycon dress. Also, this dress is super stretchy, so I feel like I have enough space in this. Also, I love how it crosses over in the front. I don't know if you can tell. Yeah, it crosses over in the front here, and I cannot wait to get it on to see how it fits. So, we're about to see. Do y'all see this? Like, I know I got a little tummy over here, but look at this dress, honey. Let me give y'all a little 360. Period. Period, period, period. Y'all, this dress is so comfortable. I did not expect it to be this comfortable. Of course, I'm gonna need some little bandages for my boobs or whatever. But honey, this is a look. This is a look, honey. A look. So, of course, I would pair this with some high heels, get my accessories right, and boom, you in there. You cannot go wrong with this dress. No, ma'am. Let's move on because I stay on this all day. I love this dress. Moving on, honey, to this piece. Yes. This is gray print double strap ring detail bodycon dress, honey, from Pretty Little Thing. I ordered this dress thinking it would be like something I could wear to a bar or something with a friend, or you know, whatever we gotta do. Get me like a little purse to hold on to that'll coordinate with this dress. It's really like not stretchy at all, so if you want to order this piece and you're not sure whether to go up a size or down, just go up a size just to make sure that you comfortable, okay, in your dress. So I feel like this dress is too little because it's really short too, as you can see. It's kind of short, but I'm gonna put it on and I'm not gonna throw on any heels because y'all can see my feet, no way. But we just gonna see how I look. Next up is this black slinky runched front strappy bodycon dress, honey. So as you can see, I like to order a lot of like neutral colors, black, white, gray, or whatever, brown, because you never know when you may just need something to throw on. You never know what occasion it's gonna be. And I was just ordering stuff because they really had a sale, like everything was like half off. So y'all make sure y'all check out their website to catch those deals. This one right here is super stretchy. Yes, super stretchy. And it has these little strings right here. You can make your little bow or whatever, but I don't know, depending on how it looks. I honestly want to wear lime green heels with this dress. I don't have any at this moment, but I plan on ordering these on. So let me try this on so y'all can see. Here is the next dress, y'all. How y'all like it? Let me know. Let me know how y'all like it. I mean, it's okay to me. It ain't all that. It's something to wear when you need something to wear. It's still cute, y'all. Like, it's real comfortable. Like, I love the fact that their dresses are so comfortable. That's like the go-to right there. But that last dress, the leopard print one, I couldn't even get that over my shoulders. Guess they're trying to say I got big shoulders or something. They really wrong. Cause I really wanted that dress, and I'm gonna have to give it away or sell it or something now, because I could not get into it, y'all. It was too low. But yeah, of course I need to work on that, and I'm gonna try on the next little outfit. I ordered biker shorts. How could you not order biker shorts? They are so comfortable, and like these right here, they have the little pretty little thing label on it. And also I have ordered the t-shirt to go with it. Here is the t-shirt, and it is oversized. I guess it's like what everybody's going for now, oversized look. So this is a size small, and it's big, as you can see, because it's oversized. That's how it's supposed to fit. I'm gonna throw this on with probably some tennis shoes or something, you know, switch it up a little bit, because that's what I do, period. But let me get this fit on. Everything, like these shorts right here, very stretchy. These shorts are a size 2. Yeah, these are a size 2. I ordered a size 2 because I knew they were gonna be stretchy, and I want them to fit tight. So yeah, I ordered these a size 2, and the shirt is a size small. So let me throw this on so y'all can see how it looks. Okay, y'all, so I felt like this was a look. I have on my little Crocs. I feel like this is a cute little set to wear. Hold on, you don't even see my little pretty little thing logo right there. Hold on, let me get that right. This shirt is oversized, so it will cover up if you let it get too slouchy. But I like for my stuff to show. So I got my little Kate Spade, little purse with me, and I got on my little Crocs. And of course I would put on an anklet with these Crocs to make it look cute. Get my little accessories going. Y'all, this is a big, hold on, let me show y'all. And that size 2 fit perfect. Cute, right? I know. Next up is this cute little crop top, honey. Yes, it is so period cute AF. Period. So yes, this is a size small. Oh yeah, and all of these sizes that I'm calling out, they are US sizes. So yeah, I don't know about the UK or none of that. But yeah, I would also wear like some cute little pink sandals with this, or like some tennis shoes. I have some like Air Max I could wear with this, but I'm gonna keep it simple and get a little girly with this shirt, because I feel like this is a girly shirt to, you know, wear. So yeah, let me put this on so y'all can see how I look. So I kept the biker shorts and my Crocs on because I felt like this was a look as well. Usually I would like throw on like some denim distressed shorts with this shirt, but I do not have them at the moment. So this will be also a look, or just throw on like some regular jeans or some like joggers or whatever, depending on how you feel for that day. But I felt like this was cute. Just throw on some accessories, get your hair done, makeup done, your nails done, you in there. Like, this is simple. Something simple, easy, and quick, and comfortable. That's all you really need. Next up is this oversized t-shirt, honey, which says overdressed. It's never a bad thing to order like too many t-shirts. And I love yellow. It's gonna look cute with my skin, boo. This is a size small from Pretty Little Thing. Of course, it is an oversized t-shirt, so it's gonna be a little big because that's how it's supposed to fit. I would wear some like boyfriend type of jeans, like booty shorts with like the rips in it, but I don't have any right now. I will be trying to find some to wear with this t-shirt, just because, and y'all know it's hot outside, and I live in Mississippi, so we really got some heat down here. Let me try this t-shirt on and we're gonna get into how this looks with a pair of jeans or whatever. I probably just keep on my little tights I got on, because I don't really have what I want to wear with this to make it a look. So yeah. Here is the last look. I kept on the biker shorts again because I did not feel like looking for stuff. This is the oversized yellow shirt that I ordered. I was really going for like a comfy vibe. It's a thin like shirt. It's very cool, fits great. It isn't as oversized as the black Pretty Little Thing tee. This is also small, and I love it because it's something I can just throw on whenever I don't feel like putting on, like getting extra glammy or whatever. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to this channel, because you do not want to miss this content that I have coming up, you guys. It is extra litty, and I will have some different type of videos coming up, so make sure you share, like, comment, subscribe, tell your friends, tell your mama, tell your daddy, tell your brother, tell your sister, all of them to subscribe to my channel. I'm more of a versatile type of person. I don't like to just stick with one type of content and just do that forever, because it's like boring to me. I get bored with stuff really quick, so you will see me posting different videos about different things all the time. Make sure you subscribe. I ain't gonna say it no more. Yes, I am. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching.